So the last strategy that we're going to review today is the adding up strategy for subtraction. So this is where we're actually using addition to solve a subtraction problem. Because we're going to be adding up, we're actually going to be starting with the smaller number, which is 169, and we're going to try to add up to 275. And the number in the jumps will be our difference. So I'm going to put 169 on the left-hand side of my number line because we are adding up and getting to a larger number. Now, I'm going to make jumps that are going to get me to 275. So I'm going to add 100 because that's not going to get me it's not going to take me too long to get to 275 if I do that. So 169 plus 100 is 269. I did not go over. I can't add 10 because, as I can see, I'm already at 269. That would give me 279, which would be more than 275. So I'm going to make a jump of 1 to get me to a friendly number. That'll give me 270. And then I'm actually going to make a jump of 5 because I see that I'm only 5 away from my number that was my target. So 275. And my answer is actually in the jumps. It is 106, which is what we got when we used the other strategies of base 10, blocks and representations, and our removal strategy. So you can also use this adding up strategy using number sentences. So that would mean that you would start with 169 and you would add up until you get to 275. That's when you would stop adding to the number. So I'm going to take 169, which is the smaller of the two, and I'm going to add 100 to it. That's going to give me 269. Bring that 269 down, and I'm going to add, I can't add 10, like I said, because if I add 10, that'll take me to 279, which would go over. So I'm going to add 1 to get me to that friendly number of 270. Now I see I'm only 5 away from 275. So I'll take that 270, add 5 to it, and get 275. As you can see, our starting number is here. And then we have the number that we were subtracting from that number right here. So the actual answer or the difference is in your add-ends, these add-ends. 100 plus 1 plus 5 is 106. And that is where you will find your answer if you use number sentences to add up. So there's going to be a problem that follows. You're going to use the adding up strategy to solve that problem. You can use either the number line or number sentences. Remember, the last 5 problems today, you will be able to use any strategy that you learned today or yesterday to solve. Have fun with this.